If you're not subscribed, you're not going to be eligible to win our 100,000 giveaway crazy cart.
I'm ready to take it to this guy.
All right, let's go.
Episode. Let's go, boys.
Thanks, Chauncey.
2 custom XL stage 5s live in the channel. Big shout out, Dylan. Dylan's the one that put us on to YouTube actually many years ago, so I gotta give credits to Luxury TV. Follow his channel. We're gonna pop it up on the screen here. But now we've got Army Man, we've got the bear, because we've got Army fighter jet cart and a little tribute to the California bear flag. We did Bear Republic cart. So this one, really cool client. Feels like more of a friend now. Haven't even met Eric in person, but Eric's got a really cool car collection. And now the car collection, he's starting his cart collection we got. So what's pretty much staring you guys right in the face, what we've got is a whole stick off of a real fighter jet that we've incorporated into his fighter jet Warthog themed cart. So this is to match a plane of his with the big Warthog shark mouth front face. So we had a local graffiti artist, JC, at ARTYEK. So he's a local graffiti artist in Fort Lauderdale. You probably see his murals and stuff all over walls. So we called him in again to do this one. Somehow we said, Ryan, make this fit onto the drift bar, and the cosmetics, you can hear the buttons click, all the buttons still work. This still aims and points at things. So when you pull this, the full function is still there. We went over all the details. He's got the rising suns in the back. You got the Chinese white star. So we went over all this with Eric before painting it. Features big boy 1000 watt, all the side gussets, additional welding that Ryan does. He's got his Hall tag on the back. So this is plasma cut out permanently on the cart. Seeing all these little rivets and whatnot, that's actually all airbrushed. So that's really cool. The cart looks like it's all panels put together underneath, right? You got the LED kit, pop that on and off. 1000 watt controller, 48 volts. When it's not flying in the air, it's gonna be shredding on the streets. This one, definitely the next best cart. I'm not sure if the one previously is up yet, but this is the most baller cart.
I was reading some of the text messages. So Charlie spends a lot of time with our clients, really dialing in the stage 5s and getting them where the guy really envisions and wants, right? So one thing I just learned as reading these things, so the blue and white circle is an American volunteer group sign, because we were not actually in World War II when these planes were flying over there. So it's really cool that he's got the kill flags. Obviously then JC did all that stuff on it. Obviously it still rips too.
I'm ready to take it to this guy.
All right, let's go.
Man,
Let's go,
look at Ryan.
California Bear Republic flag themed cart, stage 5 XL with brakes. If you notice here, the fighter jet does not have brakes. Eric purposely did that with no brakes because it's gonna be out of control. So it's just full send on that one. This one has the disc brake conversion, hydraulic, like you guys see on a lot of the XLs. Tube clamps, the upgraded front fork, the 1000 watt, the wide casters. Then you go into the seat here. Even Charlie's touch with the vinyl, right? Bear Republic, the vinyl over here in the back. So Ryan cut out the bear from the flag of California. And we even matched the 3D printed 48 volt battery as the green accent for the flag. So Eric got out of control, which we love because we just keep building cool carts for him. So he got a stage 1 Frozen theme cart, I think for his daughter.
Correct. Shred.
So it's really cool because she'll learn how to rip, and then she'll be able to partake, and now it's a family affair. So let's go rip these things, ship them.
Put them glasses back on, stop taking them off.
Before I get on this cart, I need to stay protected.
That, ladies and gentlemen, that's the Mary Lou.
Sky Rippers.
Ready to ship.
Take me to the sky, baby.
They feel like a fighter jet.
I'm ready to go airborne.
Go. Let's get them in a box and get them to California.
Let's get them picked up by freight tomorrow. I'll have them shipped before the weekend. Alrighty, so that concludes the latest and greatest Stage 5 rip and ship, right? So you guys enjoyed the video. Always like, subscribe, comment, share with your friends, because if you're not subscribed, you're not gonna be eligible to win our 100,000 giveaway Crazy Kart Stage 5 commemorative edition, 1 of 1. Ryan is cutting out all the logos as we speak, right? Right now, cutting them out. As we speak, he's cutting them. Then it's gonna go to the powder coater. Then they're gonna get riveted on because they've got really special little emblems, right? It's gonna be 1100 watts, it's gonna be 48 volt, it's gonna be standard cart. So we are only giving one 100,000 subscriber giveaway cart, not 100,000 single carts. So
Maybe when we reach 1 million,
yes, that seems like a,
we'll pull a Mr. Beast stunt.
maybe we can be Mr. Beast because he's absolutely a beast. Hopefully I win his Tesla. Pick me.
Hey!
But anyway, all right, boys. I really appreciate all your support. We all do here. We're gonna go build some more carts. Call us when you have questions, and crazy carts are fun. Yeah.
Send it with us!